Because it's my favorite color, we'll solve green first. What you need to do is solve this cross. Now, to solve the cross, you need to look for the green edge pieces. In this case, I have the green and the yellow edge piece. Now, I need to bring it underneath where it needs to go. So, green and yellow goes underneath the green and the yellow. Then you turn your front face clockwise 180 degrees to bring your green face, your green edge, up to where it needs to be. In some cases, you'll find that after you get it underneath where it needs to be and you turn it 180 degrees, your edge will not be oriented correctly. To solve this, it's quite simple. You do the algorithm front prime, up, left prime, up prime, and your edge piece is now where it needs to be. Now we look for the other edge pieces, and here's my white and my green edge piece. So I bring it under my white and my green and I turn it 180 degrees. Again, this edge piece is not oriented correctly, so I do the algorithm front prime, up, left prime, up prime, and it's where it should be. My last piece again needs to be oriented, so I do my algorithm to solve it. And now you have your cross solved.